All right, today we have a 2022 Harley-Davidson Road King. This does have the extended bag features. It is with the all blacked out bike, as you can see. It does have the spools already accessorized for any kind of sissy bar or torque pack available. Blacked out exhaust. Lumbar support. All blacked out. This bike currently only has 5,493 miles on it. Little vented windshield here. All equipped behind the powertrain of a 114 cubic inch motor, Milwaukee 8. If you're interested, give us a call at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles.